In medical coding, the surgery specialty involves coding for operative interventions to treat conditions, diseases, or injuries. Surgeries are classified based on the body system or organ treated and type of surgery performed using CPT and HCPCS codes. Key areas in surgery coding include general surgery involves the abdominal cavity, such as appendectomies. Orthopedic focuses on bones, like joint replacements. Cardiothoracic surgery includes heart procedures, while neurosurgery relates to the brain and spinal cord. Plastic surgery focuses on cosmetic restoration. Urological surgery pertains to the urinary tract and reproductive organs. Ophthalmic surgery involves eye procedures. Gynecological surgeries address the female reproductive system. ENT surgery deals with head and neck issues, and pediatric surgery addresses various conditions in children. Bariatric surgery focuses on weight loss procedures. CPT codes describe services and are categorized by system, like respiratory and digestive surgery.